Welcome to Cleerline's resource video. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to terminate Cleerline ST type connectors on SSF multimode fibers with 900 micron fanout kit installed. Required equipment and materials for terminating SSF fiber. Cleerline fiber optic connectors, fast and easy to terminate, requires no special tooling, compatible with all standard sized fibers. For this termination video, we will be using the ST multimode connectors, precision wheel cleaver, visual fault locator, tri-hole strippers, and trash bin. Now let's prepare for the termination of your SSF fiber. First, install the boot and black build-up tube over fiber, sliding it onto the 900 micron fan kit tubing. Next, install the connector onto the VFL. Ensure beige activator tab is slightly raised on the side towards the rear of the connector, being in the open position. Using the middle hole of the strippers, remove approximately 50 mm of the fan kit tubing. Using fingernails only, remove the soft peel acrylate to within 12 mm of fan kit tubing. Do not use strippers for this step, as it can damage the polymer and compromise the integrity of the fiber. Now place the fiber onto the cleaver. Ensure the end of the fan kit tubing is placed at the 28 mm mark. Close the cleaver cover and firmly push the cleave wheel forward. Remove fiber from the cleaver and insert into the rear of the connector, placing the fiber into the V-groove at a slight angle and sliding forward until a slight bow is created. As the fiber seats, VFL at indicator 1 dims while indicator 2 brightens. Maintaining forward pressure with the fiber, push down on the activator tab until you hear or feel a click. Now remove the connector from the VFL and install the dust cap at the tip of the connector. Slide previously installed 900 micron build-up tube forward and seat in the rear channel of the connector. Then slide the boot forward and tie in until secure. You have now finished your SSF fiber termination with Cleerline ST connectors. Thank you for watching our instructional video on how to properly terminate SSF multimode fibers with 900 micron fanout kit installed using the Cleerline ST multimode connectors. For more information, please visit our website at www.cleerline.com/resources.